You finish dinner, clean the kitchen, settle into your favorite chair, and right around 9 p.m., you grab just a small, innocent snack or pour a tiny nightcap to help you wind down. It feels completely harmless, right? It is just a little reward for a long, hard day. But inside your body, that innocent evening routine is setting off a silent chain reaction. You see, consuming the wrong things right before bed spikes your insulin, completely tanks your growth hormone, and quite literally locks your fat cells shut for the next 8 hours. Over months and years, this butterfly effect does not just add a few cosmetic pounds. It aggressively packs on visceral fat, the hard, dangerous fat that wraps around your liver and heart, driving up systemic inflammation, chronic joint pain, and exhaustion. I see this every single day in my clinic. Men and women over 50 doing everything perfectly right during the day, only to completely undo it all in the final 2 hours before sleep. Stick with me until the very end of this video, because the final habit I am going to share is the one almost every American does, thinking it actually helps them rest, when it is secretly the number one driver of stubborn belly fat. 1. The 9 p.m. pantry raid. We have all been there, wandering into the kitchen an hour before bed for a handful of pretzels, a bowl of cereal, or a few crackers. When you eat carbohydrates right before lying down, you are essentially trying to shut down a massive factory for the night. But right as the lights go off, a delivery truck dumps a ton of raw materials on the floor. Your body has to wake up the workers and keep insulin on the clock. Because insulin is a storage hormone, its presence firmly tells your body to halt all fat-burning processes, permanently locking in that deep visceral belly fat while you sleep. The fake fix millions of Americans try is switching to sugar-free or diet snacks, thinking they are outsmarting their biology. But artificial sweeteners still trigger a cephalic phase insulin release, meaning your brain tastes sweet and commands the pancreas to pump out insulin anyway, leaving you storing fat and waking up ravenously hungry. Instead of playing games with diet snacks, you need to implement what I call the hormonal sunset technique. This means closing your kitchen completely 3 hours before your head hits the pillow, but replacing that chewing habit with a specific, highly therapeutic, soothing ritual. When that 9 p.m. craving hits, I want you to go to the kitchen and brew a hot cup of organic chamomile or peppermint tea and stir in exactly 1 teaspoon of heavy cream or a few drops of MCT oil. This is your new nightly bridge. By consuming a trace amount of pure, zero-carbohydrate fat in a warm liquid, you completely bypass the insulin spike. The warmth of the tea physically dilates your blood vessels, lowering your core body temperature to induce sleep, while the tiny bit of fat signals your brain's satiety center that you are full. Over the next few weeks of doing this, your overnight insulin levels will finally flatline. When insulin drops, a beautiful hormone called glucagon rises, acting like a key that unlocks your visceral fat cells, allowing your body to literally eat its own belly fat for energy while you sleep. You will wake up feeling lighter, your stomach will look visibly flatter, and you will notice a sharp, clean morning energy that you haven't felt in decades. If you are someone currently struggling with prediabetes, insulin resistance, or stiff, aching joints in the morning, failing to make this switch puts you at the highest risk for progressive metabolic disease. 2. The sleepy time nightcap. It is incredibly common to pour a glass of wine or a splash of bourbon to take the edge off and ease into sleep. While alcohol acts as a central nervous system depressant that might make you pass out quickly, the internal mechanism is a disaster for your waistline. Think of it like hitting your body's control panel with a frying pan. You might be unconscious, but you certainly aren't getting restorative rest. More importantly, your liver treats alcohol as a primary toxin. The moment that drink hits your bloodstream, your liver completely stops burning visceral fat and shifts 100% of its energy to metabolizing the alcohol, trapping your belly fat exactly where it is. Now, the fake solution people often try is taking over-the-counter sleep aids or popping synthetic melatonin pills to sleep through the alcohol-induced wake-ups that happen around 3 a.m. This just layers a synthetic chemical dependency over a toxic metabolic process. The true, deep solution is to replace that nightcap with a deep recovery elixir that actually forces your nervous system to genuinely power down while optimizing your liver. About an hour before bed, pour 4 ounces of unsweetened, 100% pure tart cherry juice into a glass, dilute it with a little sparkling water, and stir in 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate powder. This specific combination is incredibly powerful. The tart cherry juice contains naturally occurring plant-based melatonin in the exact microdose your brain actually wants, gently coaxing your circadian rhythm into alignment without the groggy hangover of synthetic pills. Meanwhile, the magnesium glycinate acts as a biological muscle relaxer. It crosses the blood-brain barrier and binds to your GABA receptors, which is the exact same calming pathway that alcohol targets, but without the toxic metabolic block. Within 30 minutes of drinking this, you will feel a heavy, warm relaxation spread through your arms and legs. Because your liver isn't busy fighting off alcohol, it can spend those 8 hours doing its real job, filtering your blood, repairing damaged tissue, and metabolizing locked-away visceral fat. You will experience intensely vivid dreams, sleep entirely through the night, and wake up with a significantly less bloated abdomen. This video is for educational purposes only. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button so that it can reach and help more people, and so you can get more in-depth medical advice that will help you regain control of your health. And see you in the next video.